Hey everyone, welcome back to Easy Access Tech. In today's video, I will show you how to add your Calendly booking link directly to your system.io website or funnel. It's super helpful if you are offering appointments, coaching, or free consultation. This quick integration lets visitors book a time with you without leaving your site and making your funnel more professional and conversation friendly. So let's get started. First of all, what you have to do, just go to your system.io and make sure you are logged in with your account. Let's go for login. Set up the account for this tutorial purpose. Now just hover on this drop down menu site and go for your site. I'm just going blog because I have one. Now open this. Now on this side, just go to the page which one you want to modify or where you want to add the Calendly. Let's say I am opening this, or you can go from here. Let me show you from this three dot and click on this edit. Now let's say I want to add here a Calendly section or Calendly block. What you have to do, just go to the left panel and make sure you are on this element section and come to all the way down. You will find there a raw HTML. So by holding this, just drag and drop here, let's say, and just click here. You will find there is a option edit code. Just click on this button. Now what you have to do, just go back to Calendly. Now find out your Zoom schedule meeting or the event. I have created this one for the tutorial. Now click on this three line here or three button and you will find there a add to website. Just click on this. Now you will find three options: line embedded, pop-up widget, and pop-up text. So basically I like this one, so select it and click on this continue. From here you will modify or you will edit this, the background color, the text color, the link color. So I'm not going to do that, it will be complex for now. You can do if you want. So after that, just we have to copy this code by just clicking over this copy code. Now go to the editor of system.io, just remove this and paste the code here. Now from here, just click on this save and you can see it's showing a HTML block or HTML section. So you might be worried by seeing this, but don't worry, just click on this save now, and after that you just have to click on this preview to show this page. So just click here, it will redirect it in a new tab and scroll down, and here it is. You can see our Calendly blog or Calendly section is added successfully to our system.io site. So basically this is how you can add or you can connect Calendly in your system.io. So I hope this video helped you. If this video helped you, then please make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.